William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I welcome you to another Two Hats special of community events. Let's look in and see what's really happening.
Bring him back. I'm bringing him back.
Hey, pretty good, eh?
I think I'm alright. Jesus is the...
How you doing? William Doctor, Two Hats Publishing. I thought, short leash. I come by and say hello to you. I've seen you a couple of times. We thought I'd put you out there. You wanted to give us your work business address or your work phone number and tell people when they call in their homes, something like that. You can take your MasterCard, Visa card, or PayPal.
Yes, my name is Fatima Hersey, and I write poems using my typewriter. And I can be found online at FatimaIN.MalikaHersey.com. So all of that, if you just search for Typewriter Poet Dallas, I should pop right up.
Oh, wonderful! I was gonna come down here and interview you like you're the new Miss Clark Kent. You got the uniform hidden in some phone booth someplace. You're gonna go out there and save the world, right?
I'm trying with poetry.
Your comic book is gonna come out next month.
Yep.
All right. That's what I was going to try. I'll probably tell all this out. All right. Have a good one.
Thank you.
This is William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please leave comments below or like, follow, or subscribe to us and get notices of all our videos. We love it, even when you call.